Have you noticed that more and more car owners are installing paint protection film? It's not just a detailing trend. It's a market opportunity that's exploding for distributors and auto shops. This could be one of the most exciting growth areas in the coming years. PPF, or paint protection film, is evolving from a luxury add-on to a must-have for car owners. In the next 3-5 years, the global paint protection film market is projected to grow from tens of billions to $100 billion level industry worldwide. Why this explosive growth? The auto market is shifting, luxury and EV sales are climbing. Cars above 300,000 RMB are taking a bigger share. Younger buyers are open to trying new products. This is driving the adoption of PPF, especially TPU films, at a rapid pace. At the same time, competition is intense. Thousands of brands exist, with uneven quality. Imported brands command premium prices, whilst domestic brands are rapidly gaining acceptance. For distributors and auto shops, this means a rising demand from premium car owners, higher profit margins and repeat sales, faster market growth with the right brand and support. So if you're still on the sidelines, now is the perfect time to enter the PPF market. For more insights into market trends, brand strategies, and dealer opportunities, follow our channel for industry updates and professional tips.